Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also, right underneath the video, there is that thumbs up. It's important on the YouTube platform for the growth of a YouTuber. So if you enjoy the content, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on the YouTube platform. So I'm thanking you again in advance for that thumbs up. Okay, guys, I am so excited. My second premium box arrived, and I'm always so hesitant with this, and the reason I keep the second account with the box, also the premium on my regular account and still with the second account, is because of the customization choices. On the premium, you get to choose 2 customization choices. So for me, that is always, I don't have to make those decisions of, I hope I get this and hope it's in add-ons for that. So it just helps me out. So my add-ons are a lot smaller, and I got so lucky because when the 2 accounts don't talk to each other, Boxycharm cannot promise you that you're not going to get duplicates because the 2 accounts are on 2 separate emails, so they don't communicate. So there's always the chance where I can get duplicates. However, when I opened up this box, which I do prior to sitting down here to film, I open it up to take pictures for Instagram. So if you're not following me there, you are missing out. My name on Instagram is True Ones with the number 2. I then remove all the packaging and everything, and I set everything up for the pictures. And I saw that literally, I think I have 1 duplicate. I have another one that's kind of a duplicate, but I'll explain that when we get there. But I am so excited to be able to share with you, because I love being able to share as many products as I can on my channel, because I swatch and I try to make sure that if you're following me and you're watching me, maybe it will help you make decisions of what products you want. All right? Okay, so here we go. This is the premium, my second box. And variation numbers and costs and all that I will leave in the description box down below. Starting with the pick that I could not even believe. This was my only disappointment, but they fixed it this month when we had our customizations. I was able to share with you some sneak peeks when I found out that there was going to be a foundation pick for next month. And I always like if there's spoilers and I can find them, to share, especially if they're a color that we have to go onto the websites to see what the best color would be for us. So this one was a big surprise. They didn't give us any forewarning, at least I didn't find any. And this one was a foundation that has been on my wants list for the longest time. I'm a big fan of the KVD cosmetics. I loved it when it was Kat Von D, and it's the same company that made it for her, that's making it under the KVD name. Now it's Vegan Beauty and things like that. Whatever it is, the company that makes everything is called Kendro, and I'm really happy with all the products that they manufacture. So with that said, when I finally saw that this was an option during choice, I had to go to the actual website of the brand to see what the colors were, to know what would be my color. And I figured, okay, possibly maybe 140, I'll try that. By the time I went back in, a lot of the colors were selling out, including the color that I figured was my choice. So at that point, I just went up 1. I probably should have gone down 1 because then I could bronze it up, but we'll see, we'll swatch and we'll see what it's all about. So I ended up with medium 145. And I like to always choose neutral. This might be more yellow or more pink. That's how the numbers sometimes go. So I will have to look that up again. But like I said, I didn't want to lose even closest to mine, so I didn't want to, lose out. And I was in very early. So you girls are on it like I am to make sure. But if they give us the opportunity to know, and that's why I look for these spoilers for us, especially if there's a foundation that we get to choose the color that we want. So if we do go in early, we can have a couple of options of what those colors could be to match us. So matching online is hard enough. And then when you finally figure it out and get there and it's sold out, I was like, oh, I was so disappointed. But with that said, I will have the opportunity now to test and try this product out. And then we'll see. If the color is a horrible match, I will check on add-ons and see if this is available. And if it is, maybe the colors that I want are now back in stock. Who knows? But I'm so excited to have this now here. So, comes in the full retail box. This is the gorgeous packaging, which if you don't even enjoy her products, the packaging alone from KVD is just gorgeous. So this is now called KVD Beauty. This is the Lock-It Powder Foundation. It is a vegan powder foundation that delivers full coverage, instant blurring, and extreme long wear in a sexy compact. And this is a $37 value on its own. So let's open her up. Okay, it comes with a mirror on the inside, which I will cover. It has the gorgeous logo. Hopefully you guys can see it. It's stunning. And then it came with this little pad on here. So I'm going to take a swipe on here so we can see what the color looks like. And I'm just going to put a little bit on the back of my hand. I think we might have gotten lucky. So we will see when I will do a full face of this, and then I will know better. But right now, I think we're pretty close. So really happy to have the opportunity to have this product. I am like over the moon just with that. And with premium, we get to have a second choice. And when I get to that, I will share that with you there. The next one I got in my first box, but I got a different color in this box. And this is from RODIAL. This is their blush drops. This one is going to be in the color Frosted Pink, and I will swatch it for you as well. That is how gorgeous that is there. This is a stunning product. I cannot wait to try this out. So this one here is a $50 product. RODIAL is a very expensive brand because the ingredients that they use are really high end. And this one is enhancing the skin's luminosity by adding a healthy flush of color to the complexion. It is a concentrated drop that provides a buildable, illuminating pop of color to your cheeks. This is a brand new launch for the brand. I saw a few people using this that were in PR, and they mentioned that they had a phone call with the company and so on and so forth. And yet I watched someone else who also received PR, and they were disappointed because they were calling this a blush and it wasn't giving them enough. My understanding is it's an illuminator. So it's giving almost like a blush topper mixed with a little bit of a highlighter. So I don't think it's supposed to eliminate, oh, what a gorgeous color. I don't think it's supposed to eliminate your blush. I think it's supposed to take your blush to the next level. That's what my understanding is once I started playing with the one that I got in my box. But look at this color. Is that not stunning? So I will figure out a way to use this because I think this is beyond. And the color of my first one was over the top, and this one is just as beautiful. So now I got one in the coral family and one in the pink. So I am really happy. The next one was one that is on my add-ons list, and I wanted to wait for my boxes to come. And now I don't have to buy it in add-ons, and this is making me so happy. This is the Peach and Lily Glass Skin Veil Mist. This is the full retail box that it came in. And this is the bottle, the glass bottle. This is definitely glass. It is so heavy. Okay, let's read what it says on the card. It says, this is the Glass Skin Veil Mist that calms, refresh, and hydrates for a radiant, lasting glow on bare skin or with makeup. Achieve the poreless, luminous, and translucent looking skin with this luxurious mist that features a soothing antioxidant packed cucumber water base that will instantly deliver a glass skin finish with hydration, soothing, and glow-getting ingredients. The results build over time to help your skin look and feel hydrated, plump, and bouncy from within. This is a $29 value, and this is from the brand called Peach and Lily. And this is a K-beauty brand, and I'm so excited. Yeah, this is made in Korea. I've had the opportunity to try a couple of products from this brand, and it's over the top. And K-beauty is so innovative with what they started there, and then we learn about it over here. So the fact that we're getting more products through the the manufacturing that's done in Korea, it is blowing my mind. And glass is their newest buzz term that's coming out this season, so that we will have that glass-like finish with that beautiful radiant glow. I will do a mist of this so we could see how lightweight. It's perfection. And there is no scent to this at all. This is so exciting. I am so happy that that is in my box. The next item here was my second pick. And this one, I think I have it from another box. And I might have had a visitor who ended up falling in love with it. So I'm happy to have this now back in my arsenal. This is a rejuvenating hair serum and is from the brand called Sutra. So it comes in the full retail. Also, another glass high-end bottle. The bottle alone is beyond stunning. And this is the Rejuvenating Hair Serum. It says, protect your hair and reduce your frizz with the Sutra Rejuvenating Hair Serum. It's infused with healthy ingredients to leave your hair shiny and smooth. This serum will prevent your hair from damage and dryness. This is a $45 value on its own. And so I will show you the consistency of the product here. We'll do it over here. It has a very lightweight feel to it. And it's not overly greasy, but for me, I'm a girl that likes to use this on the ends of my hair, because as your hair gets longer and longer, your ends aren't getting the nutrients that they need. So these type of serums are always fantastic to put on, and usually it's when your hair is damp. Oh, it has such a beautiful scent. It's not overpowering and it's not overly perfumey. It's got this cleanness, but a little hint of something a little extra. It is so, so beautiful. And like I said, it's the type that when your hair blows in the wind and you have this in your hair, that scent, it's just so refreshing and just, it's just very sexy. I like it. All right, the next one is a product that I got in my first one, and I wore it when I did the unboxing. And if you haven't seen that unboxing, I'll try to leave it linked down below, because everything in that box was completely different than this. But this really intrigued me because it is a perfume, but it's an oil, and it had a question mark on the end, and I couldn't understand why it had the question mark. But I'm going to read to you the information on the card there in case you didn't see my first one, and then I'm going to tell you, because I did end up wearing it, I'm going to tell you a little story. So this one here is called the Riddle oil. It's an original roll-on oil. And they're saying it's made with simple ingredients of amber and musk. It is the original roll-on that smells clean and supple. This oil naturally creates the signature scent that is unique to you. The original scent is excellent for people who don't generally like fragrance or suffer from fragrance-related headaches. Rest assured, when you roll on the original fragrance, it is hypoallergenic, non-toxic, vegan, and cruelty-free. This little guy here is $50, but it is going to last you. When you roll this on, you won't even see it move. The oils that are in here, it's such a complex, the scent is beyond. It has this light scent to it that has the amber, and you can smell a little bit of the woody. And then as the day goes on, it doesn't fade away. At 11 o'clock at night, and I mean, I think I put this on early in the afternoon. So even when I was washing up my face and everything at night, everything was smelling so nice and I couldn't figure it out. And then when I reached under my pillow and rested my head down, I realized it was coming from the wrist that I put the actual perfume on, this perfume oil. So this lasts, it doesn't dissipate, it lasts all day, and it doesn't change. So if you like the scent when you put it on, you're going to enjoy it all the way through. And it's not overpowering. It's the type when you get up close to somebody and you go, oh, she smells nice. That's what this is. So excited to have a second one, because one is definitely going to go in my travel bag. All right. The next one here is the one that I said, I'm not sure this is a duplicate or not, because at one point, and it might not even be Boxycharm, it might be other boxes, I ended up with this so many times in so many boxes. It was from this brand Trestique, but I think the one that I got only had the mascara. This one has a mascara and a liner in it. So if you're not familiar with this, I'm going to read what it says in the card, and then I'm going to tell you a little bit more about this, because I also gave this away in a lot of my giveaways. So this one here says this is the Eye Duo Vibes Mascara and Eye Pencil. They're saying it is an eye-opening duo for gorgeous defined eyes. It has Good Vibes Mascara. That is the first mascara to combine a lash curler and a mascara all in one product. The eye pencil is formulated for sensitive eyes, featuring a luxurious, versatile gel formula. This pencil glides on like a liquid, but provides pencil precision. This is a $44 value for the pair. So I think when I got it, I didn't get the gel pencil, so I'm excited to have the opportunity to try their pencil. We'll do a little line here, and it is one of those gel pencils, so excited to get that. I thought it would be a lighter color based on that little rim here. I thought it was going to be more of a gray tone, but it is black, so that's what's there. And then on this one, when you take off the top part, what you do is this is the oh god, how do you do this again? Flip down to curl, it says. Oh, I don't want to mess this up. Oh, here. Okay, so it says flip down to curl. If you read instructions, you can figure this out. This goes down here and you press on it, and you see that little guy there? That is what the curler is. I don't use those curl wands that a lot of girls do, but if you do, this is almost like a 3. I had to put my, because I wanted to test it out. This, not this one, when I originally got so many of them, I wanted to be able to tell you guys more about the product. So this one here, I think is a fantastic idea, and especially the girls that use this. The only thing is it's really small, so you have to do it like 3 times. However, if you just want, a lot of girls just do their lifting on their ends, or they just put like false eyelashes on the end, you could do this just on the end, but it's really nice. It doesn't tug or hurt. It is a really nice feature. I think it is very innovative to have that. And the other side is a nice mascara. It is a big wand, and it is nothing unique or anything about it. It's a regular wand, but like I said, I've given away so many of these. It's time for me to retest, so I will definitely be playing with it again and testing it all again, because like I said, at one point I was getting it in so many different boxes, so this is a nice little refresh to get it in this box here. And that's everything I got in my second premium box. So I will leave, like I said, link down below the other box that I received, so that you guys will be able to see it again if you didn't see it the first time, because there's so many different products in there. So just to recap, I got my KVD powder, which I think will be an okay color for me. I got another fantastic color from the RODIAL. I got the product that I was planning on buying in the add-ons from Peach and Lily, and then the gorgeous hair product from Sutra that I ended up passing on to somebody who is fantastic, that I have this back in my arsenal. And then this, which I cannot wait to, if you guys got this, please share with me in the comments down below, over the top. And that's why I say don't pay attention to the prices that are on the card, because if you're part of Boxycharm, we're getting access to so many high-end brands that we're paying not even for one product, and we're getting all these products to have the opportunity to try. So don't look at something and go, oh my God, that's $50. I would never spend that. You don't have to. You get to enjoy a $50 product for fractions of, and then if we're lucky enough and you enjoy it and you want to buy it for someone else, you can get it at a deeply discount in the add-ons and the mega bundles and the mega drops and whatever they want to call it. Those fantastic sales that we have access to just from getting in with the Boxycharm, and any box that you choose to get part of Boxycharm. This box now is around $40. It's still free ship in the USA. One product in here more than pays for it in my eyes. Please share with me in the comments down below if you've had the opportunity to play with any of these products. And if you had that same issue with the KVD when you went to make your choices, and what color you ended up with, and if it ended up being a one that you were able to use anyways. All right? Take care, everybody. Stay well, and I will see you all soon again in my next video. Bye for now.